Hey, what's up guys, it's me again, Trev's Bits and Bobs. Welcome back to a brand new video. I'm sorry I'm a bit late on the video, but it's going to be GTA 16 anyway. So let's go. Here's I can play one-handed. Wait a minute guys. The thing just disconnected. I'll catch up to him, don't worry. So we're just going to catch up to these people. Just as long as my control pad doesn't disconnect again. Haha, see you later. But today's been a really busy day for me to do anything, so this is a late video for tonight anyway. I'll be in the front now. Isn't Michael funny? Wow. He just overtook me, but he didn't have no chance to do it. I bumped into my friend Elite Man 99 in town today. If you're watching Elite Man 99, I am winning. Just to make sure I don't run that deer over like I did last time. I'm way back. Yes, I won. So right guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a like, subscribe, comment, you know the drill. I've been Trev's Bits and Bobs over and out. I'll see all you guys later. Bye guys. Peace out, over and out, bye.